स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूनिट 5 के वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव। नेचर क्या होती है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव की? ट्रांसवर्स। इसमें क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आर म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर, और परपेंडिकुलर किसके होते हैं? डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रोपगेशन ऑफ वेव, राइट? Next, write the relation for velocity of electromagnetic wave in vacuum. Velocity relation क्या है बेटा वैक्यूम में? C is equal to 1 upon under root mu naught epsilon naught. Mu naught permeability और epsilon naught क्या है? Permittivity in free space. Write the relationship between the amplitude of electric and magnetic field in space in free space for electromagnetic wave. क्या रिलेशन है? E naught amplitude of electric field, B naught amplitude of magnetic field is equal to C, speed of light in vacuum. Give the ratio of velocity of light ray for X-rays and ultraviolet rays. Please remember it that the velocity or speed of light rays for X-rays and ultraviolet rays in vacuum is same. In vacuum is same, that is 1:1. Name the part of the electromagnetic spectrum which is used for greenhouse effect to keep the plant warm. When the term warm, hot, heat is come, it means that is infrared. Which one? Infrared. So infrared rays keep the plants warm in greenhouse effect, right? Which one electromagnetic wave is used to detect fingerprint? If any one term used for detecting, for sterilizing the medical instruments, for detecting the forward documents, fingerprints, it means ultraviolet. Which one electromagnetic wave used for medical diagnostic? Medical diagnostic के लिए हम कौन सी यूज करते हैं? That we are using X-rays. Heart to the bone broken या any foreign element like stone diagnosis by using X-rays. This is important question. State the condition under which a microwave oven heats a food item containing water molecule most efficiently. Because the frequency of the microwave matches with the frequency of the water molecule, so it more efficiently heat the food which contain water molecule, right? So frequency matching. Question number 9. Name the physical quantity which remains same for microwave of wavelength 1 millimeter and ultraviolet radiation of 1600 angstrom in vacuum. I already given an answer, sir. The ratio 1:1. The speed is that physical quantity which remains same in vacuum for all kind of electromagnetic wave. It doesn't change. So what is the answer? Is speed. Next, which one wave is used in radar? Simply, in radar we are using microwave. I'm giving hint to it. Any thing concerned with the heat, warmness, that is infrared. Anything used for forward documents and sterilizing the medical equipment, and so that is ultraviolet rays for the medical diagnosis, X-rays for communication, microwave, radar, microwave and radio waves, right? So these are the important terms we are using it. Okay, we just meet after